Welcome to IIFL Markets. I'm Sourav Mishra and today I'm joined by my colleague Sheetal Agarwal to discuss our stock in focus, Tata Power. So Sheetal, Tata Power is one of the top picks of IIFL Securities. Let us understand the investment rationale for the same.
Hi Saurav. As you rightly mentioned, we are bullish on Tata Power. To understand the investment rationale, we have to first look at its corporate restructuring, which is in its final leg. The objectives of this corporate restructuring include selling non-core assets, raising equity to Tata Sons, and recycling of assets. The company has progressed swiftly on all these fronts. Post restructuring, Tata Power will operate through four key business segments, namely traditional thermal generation business, power distribution business, renewable energy business, and the asset light consumer facing business, which includes solar pumps, home automation, EV charging, amongst others. Tata Power is also looking to launch an InvIT for its renewable energy assets. The InvIT will be a strong trigger for the stock in the medium term, and it will help in reducing the debt and creating a platform for recycling of assets. After this restructuring, the company will be leaner with a stronger balance sheet and improving cash flows.
So what will be the key focus areas for the company post the restructuring?
Going forward, Tata Power will focus more on renewables, power distribution, and consumer facing businesses. There are no capacity additions planned in the thermal power generation business, but the long term power purchase agreements are in place, which means the business will continue to grow in a stable manner. The thermal power business also stands to benefit from rising coal prices. After the corporate restructuring, the loss making UMPP shall address its solvency issues, while standalone operations are expected to incur significant tax savings.
So essentially, the corporate restructuring will help the company address legacy issues such as high debt, weak margins, and subdued return ratios, and emerge as a future-ready, non-traditional power utility company with focus on renewable energy and consumer segments. Is that right?
Absolutely, absolutely. In fact, we believe the company is well on its way to register sector-beating earnings growth of 22% over FY21 to 23. Its peers under IIFL Securities coverage, though, are likely to post earning growth of just 10 to 13% in this period. The growth will be led by renewable business, even as other businesses remain solid. Tata Power aims to triple its profit by FY25 and is looking to capitalize on the following macro opportunities: large scale implementation of smart meters, government's push to renewable energy, and privatization of state electricity boards. So, Tata Power's distribution operations in Mumbai, Delhi, and Odisha have significant potential for growth. In renewable energy, the company plans to add at least 1 to 2 gigawatts of capacity annually and is looking to aggressively grow its solar module manufacturing and EPC businesses. Tata Power has formed several partnerships to grow its consumer facing business and is targeting revenues of rupees 35 billion from this business by FY25.
That sounds really great. So in terms of returns, where do you look at the stock?
Well, Tata Power has got its strategy just right and well in place. It is addressing all risks and is looking to capitalize and maximize all the opportunities. From here on, all eyes will be on the successful execution of its plans. We value the stock on a sum of the parts basis, and our case target price stands at rupees 132 per share, indicating upsides of around 25% from current levels. Remember, this is a base case target price. It still has significant upside
Much
potential.
higher opportunities, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
the target price is rupees 132 per share, 27% upside based on basic fundamental analysis from IIFL Securities research. It could
Yes.
have even better returns depending on the fundamentals of the economy and the area in which this company operates. So
That's
friends,
right.
Tata Power clearly seems like an attractive bet in the utilities space. With this, it's a wrap for now. We will be back soon. Till then, happy investing. If you like this video, subscribe to IIFL Markets.